channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm. Yay! It finally arrived and I'm so excited. So in case you guys don't know, Boxycharm is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And it comes with beauty, it comes with skincare, it comes with tools. So it's a really good subscription. So let's go ahead and open her up and let's see what we got this month. So this is my March box. So this is what it looks like inside. And then in the front it says, "Hello, Charmer." So this one does come with a card. And this month is La Vie en Rose. So that's our card. It's super cute. I love it. And then in the back, it has the description of the products as well as the retail value of the products. So we're going to start with the big box on the top. And this is from Moda. And it's a brush duo. So that's what the box looks like. We're going to open her up. So I don't think that I've ever received Moda brushes. But we all know how I feel about brushes, so I'm excited. Okay, so we have a powder brush, super cute. It's like a metallic pink handle. I love that. And the bristles are super soft. And then this one is a highlighting brush. And it's one of those fluffy highlighting brushes, so totally excited for that. And let's take a look. The brushes are $29.99, so that's a pretty hefty price, but they feel really nice, so hopefully they're gonna perform good. Okay, so the next item in here is from Allure Beauty, and this is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So that's what that looks like. And I have not tried any of their masks. I have tried their mascaras, which we've received in Boxycharm. And we got one in another beauty box that I am just loving. Okay, so this one, it retails for $34. Wow. And I believe that the color of the mask was exclusive, I believe, to Boxycharm. Let me see if it says anything on here. No, it doesn't. But it says that excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. Okay, anything that helps for pores, I'm all for it. So I'm super excited about this and I can't wait to try that out. Okay, so next item in here is from Appeal, and it's a liquid eyeshadow. And I'm trying to find the shade. Oh, it's in rose gold, so that's what that looks like. I'm not gonna open it today. I'm not sure if I'll keep this one or not. But this retails for $21. So wow, it's really pretty. It says it's rose gold, but it leans more on just the gold side. But that is actually really pretty. Okay, so we're gonna lift our little cover, and there's 2 more things in here. Okay, so next one is from Ofra, and it's their long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco. So there's that one. And these retail for $20, and this is actually a really pretty shade. So this one I'm gonna open and we're gonna swatch it. And like always, I'm gonna smell it. Why? I don't know, but I do. It's actually, oh my gosh, it smells really good. It's like sweet. And this is a really pretty metallic rose shade. There's the color right there. It is gorgeous. I really like the Ofra formula. It doesn't dry down to the point where your lips feel like they're gonna fall off because of the dryness. It actually feels really good on the lips. So I'm excited for that. And then the last item in the box is from Cover FX. And let me just see what this retails for. It is the Perfector Face Palette, and this retails for $45. So it's this one right here. And it comes, let me open it up. It has a nice big mirror, and that's what it looks like. There we go. So it's a whole face palette. You have your highlighter, your contour. You have a brightener, a finishing powder, a highlighter, and a blush. Oh, so you have 2 highlighters. A blush, a contour, finishing powder, and brightener. So this looks gorgeous, and I'm super excited about this. And I got the shade light medium, and then they also had like a medium dark. So I'm really happy that I got this one. The shades would work great for my skin tone, and I'm super excited to try this. You know what? Let's just swatch the highlight. Oh my gosh, you guys, the highlighters are buttery soft. And you have a really pretty gold highlighter and a really pretty rose gold highlighter. So those are the 2 highlighters. Look at that bling. Okay, we're gonna swatch them on my hand. Wow. They go on super smooth, and they're super pigmented, and that's my kind of highlighter, okay? The one that you can see from really far away, I'm okay with that. I love that. So totally excited about this. So overall, let's see, we got our face palette from Cover FX. We got the liquid lipstick from Ofra. We got the peel off mask for Wonder Beauty. The Appeal liquid eyeshadow. And the Moda brushes. So you know what? This was actually a really, really good box. I love the fact that they had a big face palette from Cover FX. And I'm really excited to try that mask. It is a rose gold shade. So super thrilled about that. So what do you guys think? Are you guys already signed up for Boxycharm? Did you guys get your box already? What was your favorite item? Let me know down in the description box. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button before you leave. Tap the little bell in case you don't want to miss any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!